Hello ma'am. May I know your name and where do you stay?
My name is Vaishali Barua and I stay in Sector 55, Noida, Indian Oil Apartment.
What is your child's age?
It's 14 plus.
What were you looking for your child?
Actually, I wanted that he was interested in instrument, and when I got to know that he is interested in learning instrument, I started with keyboard at home, but then I felt he was shifting, like he wanted to learn guitar. Maybe he got motivated from his school. He studies in Somerville, Noida, and then when I asked my friends, I got to know about Noida School of Rock.
So which all academies did you look for?
Actually here in Noida, because I think this is the best academy where I can teach my child, and one is in Delhi. That is also I think some school of music, I suppose.
Okay.
But I think communication part is a very big problem from Noida to Delhi. So in the same way, I felt Noida School of Rock was better, and they were conducting the same sort of exams which is conducted in Delhi itself.
So you finally chose Noida School of Rock.
Yeah.
Can you share us the reason as well?
The reason I felt, one is it's very close to my home. The teachers are very good. The feedback which I got from school and from other parents also. And when I came here, I felt I had chosen the best school in Noida.
Based on your experience, tell us 2 good things which you really like about Noida School of Rock.
One, the teachers are very serious about your kids. They know in and out of your child. And second is, suppose you have some problem with them, they're always ready to hear and give time. And if suppose you're missing some of the classes, they make sure that those classes are compensated.
Anything that could be better?
As of now, I feel I'm quite satisfied with all the teachers and whatever he's learning. But one thing that my son got hassled with was, in the first year he had to change his teachers. In fact, maybe it was with him, not with the other child. He had to, like the teacher went on leave or he left the school, and that is why he had to cope with new teacher every time, and that's why he was a bit upset. But now he's happy with his new sir.
Last question. On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely would you like to recommend Noida School of Rock to other parents?
4.
4. Thank you, ma'am.